Red, white, a clean bed. It's a golden one little sound. I wish we'd all be ready. Walking up a hill, one disappeared and one left standing still. And I wish we'd all been ready. There's a time to change your mind. The sun has come, and you've been left behind. The fog is full, the demons died. The sun has come, and you've been left behind. But as for me, you've been left behind. And you've been left behind. But as for me, I will be home and fading like you said. I will be satisfied to dance and but I want to be like you.
As for me,
Nakikita. Tama na. Malayo ko eh.
as for me,
As for you.
I will be home.
I will give you.
Like creating righteousness, I will be
Satisfied.
when I awake with the light.
I want to be just like you. As for me,
I will be home.
I will be home that day. Ang linaw kaya ng video ko.
It's a new day.
Ending.
Alam mo, kayo yung people, wala kayong hilig sa kanta. Once you sit down, fellowship, kuha ka ng gitara, bigay ka ng kanta.
Bisyo nga namin.
Para yung mga demonyo sa utak nyo, demonyo sa puso nyo, tatalsik nyo.
Nga.
Eh paano pagka, hindi ko kung ano nang pag-usapan ninyo, agad kami, people kami noon. Tapos, pagkasimula kami ng alas 3 ng hapon, tapos alas 10 ng gabi.
Unay ka, pastor.
Wala, kayo na, wala. Minsan, bibili na. Ang iba naman, tatakbo, bibili na. Pag minsan, may women's dressing, nagkantahan sila, bumirinda pala yun, nag-mirinda, nagkanta ng mirinda. Kasi, may bibless din yung nakapag-rinig sa inyo, eh. Siyempre, yung pinibirinda yan. Kasi pagdating dito, wala man lang.
Sabi mo,
Usap-usap. Hindi man lang, wala lang mo, kaamor-amor eh. Di ba? Di ba? Marlene, kasi Marlene, minsan napapasukan din mo yung utak.
Manyo!
Ginagawa habang
Kumakanta kayo sa pamukha.
kuha ng picture.
Ano? Binibidyo ka. Ano?
Babae ko talaga, Marlene.
Stop mo na yan. Ano ba, Ate Mar? Stop mo na nga yan eh. Hindi, binibidyo ko lang.
Yeah, kailangan. Yung para yung ability sa pagkanta, madidevelop. Ito, maraming mga alam ko lang ito. Ito, ano, gusto mo nga, ano,